Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the converse of the Pythagorean theorem, a powerful tool for testing whether a triangle is a right triangle. First, let's remember the original Pythagorean theorem. It states that in a right triangle, the square of side, a plus the square of side B, is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, side C. The formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The converse simply flips the if-then logic. It tells us that if the side lengths of any triangle fit the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then that triangle must be a right triangle. It works in reverse. So how can we use this? First, take the three side lengths of any triangle and find the longest side. We will call that side C. The other two sides can be A and B. Next, plug these values into the formula. Finally, check if the result is a true statement. Does one side of the equation equal the other? Let's try an example with a triangle that has sides of 6, 8, and 10. The longest side, C, is 10. We'll set A as 6 and B as 8. Plugging them in, we get 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared. This becomes 36 plus 64 equals 100. The final result is 100 equals 100. Because this is true, we know for sure this is a right triangle. But what happens if the two sides of the equation are not equal? If c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, it means the longest side is a bit too short to create a 90-degree angle. This results in an acute triangle, where all three angles are smaller than 90 degrees. Let's test a triangle with sides 5, 6, and 7. The longest side, C, is 7. So we compare 5 squared plus 6 squared to 7 squared. This gives us 25 plus 36 compared to 49. The sum is 61, which is greater than 49. Since c squared is smaller, this triangle is acute. On the other hand, if c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, it means the longest side is too long, which forces one of the angles to be wider than 90 degrees. This gives us an obtuse triangle. Here's one more example with sides 4, 5, and 8. The longest side, C, is 8. We compare 4 squared plus 5 squared to 8 squared. This gives us 16 plus 25 compared to 64. The sum is 41, which is much less than 64. Because c squared is larger, this triangle is obtuse. To quickly review, if c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, the triangle is acute. If c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, the triangle is a right triangle. And if c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, the triangle is obtuse. This isn't just a math trick, it has practical uses. For instance, in construction or woodworking, you need to make sure corners are perfectly square or 90 degrees. By measuring 3, 4, and 5 feet to form a triangle, you can use the converse to confirm the corner is a perfect right angle.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.